Life cycle of a frog. Today we are going to look at the life cycle of a frog. This picture shows the different stages of frogs development. Frogs spawn. Frogs lay their eggs in water or wet places. A floating clump of eggs is called frog spawn. This large and slippery mass of eggs is too big to be eaten. This is nature's way of protecting them. Tadpole. The tadpole has a long tail and lives in water. It must rely on its convergence to protect it. The tadpoles also face danger by being eaten by other water animals. Sometimes the pond dries up and the tadpoles die. Getting bigger. After about 5 weeks, the tadpole begins to change. It starts to grow hind legs. Behind its legs, bulges appear with the front legs and growing, and its tail becomes smaller. Lungs begin to develop, preparing the frog for its life on land. A young frog. Over time, the tadpole becomes even more frog-like. It has shed its skin and lips, its mouth within, and it loses its horny jaws. The tail becomes much smaller and the legs grow. Its lungs begins to work. An adult frog, 11 weeks after the eggs was laid, a fully developed frog with lungs, legs, and no tail emerges from the water. This frog will live mostly on land but occasionally swims. The tiny frogs begin to eat insects and worms. Eventually, it will find a mate. The female lays egg on land. Let's have one last look of life cycle of a frog. Made by